Hello friends, in this video we will see how to make this type of crochet heart. For this I require 8 ply yarn and 4.5 mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and chain 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 and triple crochet 5 times into this loop. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the loop, pull the yarn, pull through two loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. That's a triple crochet, so you have to make it another 3 more times. Totally 5 triple crochets into the loop. It's 3, 4 and 5. Now after doing this 5 triple crochet, make 2 double crochets in the loop. 1, 2. Now make 2 half double crochets in the loop. Make 2 single crochets. One, 2. Now chain 2 and into the first chain insert the hook, pull the yarn and make a single crochet. Again I will repeat this step. After making 2 single crochets, chain 2, 1, 2. Insert the hook into the first chain, pull the yarn and make a single crochet. Now make 2 single crochets in the loop. 1, 2. Now make 2 half double crochets in the loop. Now make 2 double crochets in the loop. Now make 5 triple crochets in the loop. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch into the loop. Now you see this beautiful crochet heart is ready. Now pull a yarn. Now pull yarn, cut, place a knot, and weave in the end using a needle. So this beautiful heart, crochet heart, is ready.